Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use Voicemod AI to create a fun birthday songs or hilarious roast songs you can send to your friends. Let's get started. First, open the Voicemod app and go to the Voice Lab. This is where you can design a custom AI voices and effects. Then hit record and sing or speak your message. For example, happy birthday line or a funny roast about your friend. Then here, pick from a crazy voices like a robotic singer, chipmunk, and more to make it sounding more entertaining. You can also adjust the pitch, echo, or reverb for more effect. Then layer it with a birthday tunes, party beats, or playful roast music from VoiceMod soundboard to complete the vibe. And you can export your creation and share it on TikTok and other social media platforms. And for more fun AI trick, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.